Y'all are both under arrest for stealing those hot dogs.
What? We didn't steal anything.
Don't lie to me. I know your kind, and you people are always stealing things.
We didn't steal anything, okay? We have these fair and square. You can ask the man over there.
I've heard enough. Officer Cleatus, arrest that kid. I'll handle this woman.
What?
You are under arrest!
That's what you get for stealing, little monkey boy.
You're under arrest! Honesty, you are under arrest! If you don't stop, I will use lethal force. Down.
Hello guys, today's video is sponsored by War Farm Adventure, but more of them later.
How you feeling, baby? You excited?
Of course, Mom. I can't believe you can win $1 million just by playing Word Farm Adventure.
I know, honey, that's amazing. Plus, you'll be learning a lot of new words and how to spell them, which is something that you need because you'll be going to college. You'll be the first one in our family going to college. Grandma would be so proud.
What's wrong, Mom?
It's just that ever since Grandma got cancer, we have some very expensive medical bills, and I don't know how much longer I can keep taking loans out to pay for it.
Captain, look at this.
What is it, Cleatus?
Look.
What are these thugs doing at our event? I bet they're planning on stealing the money or shooting up the place.
I hate people who look like them. Like my papa always tells me, if it's black, it's selling crack.
My mama used to tell me, if it's black, you better watch your back.
Don't worry, Mom. I've been practicing Word Farm Adventure every single day. We'll for sure win this.
You're such a smart, special boy, Jeremiah. And you know what? You're right. We've been practicing every day. There's no way we won't win this.
That's the spirit, Mom. Come on, we're gonna be late.
Come on, Cleatus. Let's go arrest them before they cause any trouble.
Yes, Captain.
Wow, this is amazing. Oh, can we go get a hot dog?
Of course, baby. Excuse me, sir. How much is it?
It's $3 for one hot dog, $5 for two.
Wow, what a great deal. Let me get two.
One more thing, because this is an annual War Farm Adventure contest, if you're able to solve this crossword puzzle, you can get them for free.
Now that sounds like a deal. Come on, Jeremiah, let's get us some free hot dogs.
We got this.
Here you go. As you're completing the puzzle, I'll give you more facts about War Farm Adventure. You see, guys, War Farm Adventure is the perfect combination of thinking skills and fun. War Farm Adventure allows you to solve crossword puzzles and complete word Scrabble missions. There's so many levels to choose from, with amazing locations to reveal, such as the farm and villa, and many more coming very soon. The more levels you win, the more tasks you get to complete, and the quicker you get to restore the villa back to its former glory. The War Farm Adventure app is available now in Android and iOS. You can download it for free on the link on the description in this video. And if you click on the link on the description right now, you can get a welcome bonus. But you have to click on the link in the description in order to work.
We did it.
High five, baby. Here you go, sir. All done.
Congratulations, guys. You guys did it perfectly. Here you go. 2 free hot dogs courtesy of War Farm Adventure.
Thank you, sir. Here you go, baby.
Well, well, well. What do we have here? Just as I suspected, a bunch of thieves.
Excuse me?
Officer Cleatus, arrest that kid.
Yes, Captain.
Mom, how?
Let go of him. What do you think you're doing?
Y'all are both under arrest for stealing those hot dogs.
What? We didn't steal anything.
Don't lie to me. I know your kind, and you people are always stealing things.
I already told you I didn't steal anything.
Oh yeah? We were watching you from afar, and we saw you steal those hot dogs and didn't pay for them.
You were watching us? We didn't pay because we had a discount.
Oh, let me guess. The 5-finger discount? You thugs can't fool me.
Mom, we're thugs?
No, baby, we are not. We didn't steal anything, okay? We have these fair and square. You can ask the man over there.
I've heard enough. Officer Cleatus, arrest that kid. I'll handle this woman.
What?
You are under arrest!
That's what you get for stealing, little monkey boy.
You are under arrest! Honesty, you are under arrest! If you don't stop, I will use lethal force. Down.
Mom, why are they doing this to us? Did we do something wrong?
Some people don't like us because of the color of our skin. They think because we look like this that we're criminals.
I don't think I want to be black anymore.
Don't you ever say that again, honey. Black is beautiful. Don't you let them break your spirit. I know that it's hard in situations like this, but you've got to stay strong. Do you understand me?
Okay, Mom.
Now you stay here while we run your IDs and see what other crimes you people have committed.
What's going on here?
Oh, hey, Mr. Watson. We just caught a couple criminals trying to steal hot dogs from your event.
Trying to steal hot dogs from the event? Is that true?
No, it's not true. We won these hot dogs by solving a puzzle for Word Farm Adventure.
Yeah, right. These people lied through their teeth. Getting free hot dogs from playing a game? Who would ever believe that?
I would, because it's true. That's one of the event's many deals. I can't believe you did this to them. Well now, release them, this instant.
Sir, I don't think you understand.
I think I understand perfectly fine. Now release them.
Baby, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. But my wrist hurts from those handcuffs.
Look what you did to my son. He's bleeding at the wrist. How do you not have compassion for kids? I told you we were innocent.
You can't blame me. I mean, look at you. Anyone would think you were a criminal.
Excuse me? Why would anybody think she's a criminal? She looks just like any other person here.
Well, not really.
What are you implying? That because she's black, that she's a criminal? I can't believe what I'm hearing. I'm calling your supervisor and getting you fired off of this event.
No, sir. Please don't do that. It was all just a big misunderstanding. Right, Cleatus?
Yeah, it's all just a big misunderstanding.
Please, sir. I promise you, it'll never happen again. Just give us one more chance.
Okay, but if I catch you bothering these good people one more time, I'm calling your supervisor as soon as possible.
Thank you so much, sir. You won't regret this.
I hope not. Now get out of here.
Come on, Cleatus. Let's go.
I'm sorry about that, guys. Please accept my apologies. Some people just don't understand that we're all equal, no matter what we look like or where we're from.
You don't have to apologize for their behavior. Don't worry about it. Unfortunately, we've had this kind of treatment before. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Right, baby?
I feel stronger already.
Are you participating in the contest?
Yes, sir, we are.
And we're gonna win this.
That's the spirit. Well, come on, guys. Follow me. The event's about to start.
I can't believe they got away. I mean, how are we supposed to protect our community if we can't keep criminals like them in jail?
Well, Mr. Watson said they didn't do anything wrong.
Mr. Watson doesn't know what he's talking about. He's probably underneath one of their black voodoo spells.
Voodoo spells?
Don't you know anything, Cleatus? Voodoo is something black people do to get ahead in life. They cut chicken heads, drink their blood for power, then they cast spells on us good, hardworking people. They must have casted plenty of voodoo spells on you already.
What do you mean?
What I mean is I wish that we could get rid of all of them, so this world could be a better place for people like us. I'm tired of everyone protecting these criminals just because they're black.
Is that voodoo?
That's not voodoo, that's just a fortune teller. But now that I think of it, maybe she can help me figure out how to get these criminals back in jail. Stay here, Cleatus, and make sure none of these black people cause any more trouble. Hello? Anyone here? Well, hello there, little guy. I know how you feel. No, seriously. Whenever I failed at putting those thugs in jail, I felt weak, like I was made out of straw. I wish I could make all those black people disappear.
Hello, officer. I've been waiting for you, Karen.
How do you know my name?
It's my job to know. Come on, have a seat, dear.
The reason I am here is because...
Give me your hand.
What?
Your right hand. Let me see it. Have you ever had your palm read before?
Nope. This is the first time.
The left hand represents your inborn fate, while your right hand represents your destiny, affected by your acquired environment. There's 4 major lines: your lifeline, heart line, head line, and fate line. If your lifeline and your fate line meet...
Look, I don't have time for this. Let's get right to the point. I want you...
I know why you're here. I just like to chat with my visitors before they throw their lives away.
What? What do you mean?
You're here for power, aren't you?
Yes, that's right.
The kind of power to take lives at will.
Yes, especially those dirty black hood rats. You see, I believe...
I am aware of your beliefs, honey. And I have to warn you, they will only lead to destruction. You see, in this earth, we are all...
Sip it, Grandma. I don't want to hear speeches of equality. I just want you to tell me how to get the power to get rid of all of them at once.
Well, there are many ways to acquire such power, but they all require you to give up something in return.
I will give them anything. I don't care.
Careful with what you say, darling. There are spirits all around, watching and paying close attention. We don't want to attract the wrong kind.
I don't care. I'm not afraid of any of them. As long as they can help me get rid of the dirty black people, destroying our communities and selling drugs to the kids, I'll give them anything. Wow, how did you do that?
I didn't do anything. Look, you better calm down and keep quiet. I put a spell around this place, but it can only control the smaller spirits. Now look, the reason I know why you're here and what you want is because I had a dream last night. And in that dream, I was told by your spiritual guide that I should help warn you away from your pursuit of power.
What? Why?
It's hard to explain. The dreams I have are not as straightforward as you think. They're full of symbols and metaphors.
Try me.
Well, in my dream, I saw a wolf hunting black sheep. But the wolf's teeth were gone, so it couldn't eat the black sheep. So it started digging, and it dug until its paws were bleeding. And as it was digging, it came away with a small figure made of straw.
Did you say small figure made of straw?
Yes? Why? Where did that come from?
What do you mean? It was right here on your desk.
No, that's not mine. You need to get rid of it right away.
What? What's the big deal? Just a little straw man. He wouldn't harm a fly.
I said put that down, now.
Okay, relax. I'm putting him down. What's your problem?
Please tell me that you didn't talk while you were holding it.
Why?
Oh God, you did. What did you say?
Nothing really.
Tell me exactly what you said.
I just said that I wished I could make all the black people disappear.
What? Why would you say that? How is it that making a wish is the first thing you do while holding a creepy object in a place like this?
Look, lady, I'm new to this whole thing. How am I supposed to know the rules of what to touch and what not to touch?
Don't you know how to read?
Well, what do we do now?
Well, for starters, let me tell you what you've gotten yourself into and what demon you've just unleashed.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and thanks again to Lohrstorfer Adventure for sponsoring the episode. If you want to check them out, the link is on the description. We will also pin it on the first comment on the comment section. Guys, today's episode is so important. is teaching us we should treat each other the same, no matter who they are or what the color of the skin is. Make sure to share this video with all your family and friends. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, because here, our Generation Hope, we're trying to make the world a better place, one story at a time.